I'm not really feeling motivated every single day. Sometimes I feel lazy. I just do not want to do the thing that I supposed to do. But hey, I still manage to show up every single day consistently. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I have a more than 200 days straight 5 to 3 a.m. morning push-up streak, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. And hey, I also want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I show up every single day recording videos, helping people be consistent for more than 300 days, and I also consistently rehearse on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So here's the thing. When we are talking about consistency, we don't need to be feeling motivated 100% of the time. All we need is systems. Systems that's going to make showing up easier even on the days when we are not feeling motivated. So hey, this is July 3rd, 2025, and this is gonna be day 360 of consistently helping people build consistency. I'm not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time. That's one fact that I have accepted as just a fact of life. But that's not the problem, okay? That's just life, okay? I admit that, hey, consistency isn't going to be easy. There are going to be days when I do not feel like I wanted to be doing my thing, but I still need to be doing it anyway because that's the right thing to do. But the thing here is that we can still make some systems, we can still implement some systems that's going to make showing up every single day easier. But it's not going to be that easy. But it can be easier, okay? So one of the most effective system on how to be consistent at doing something, exercising, studying, meditating, is called staring at the paper. So let me ask you one question. Why we humans? Why we do things? Why do we want it to be consistent at doing something? Why do you click on this video? Okay, well, you want it to be consistent at doing something, right? Well, the question here, why do you want it to be consistent at doing something? Well, the answer is pretty simple though, actually. We want it to be consistent at doing something. It is precisely because we expect some kind of return, some kind of results from doing that particular thing. For example, people might differ in reasons, but why do we exercise consistently? Oh yeah, it's because we want it to be healthy, we want it to look good. Why do we study consistently? Oh yeah, it's because we want it to be smart, get good grades, and be respected by other people. Reasons can make us do things. So basically, with this one method that I'm going to be telling you guys, we are going to be consistently reminding ourselves of our reasons why we do some certain thing. Okay, so basically the thing that you wanted to be doing here is to basically pause this video and grab on a pen and a paper. Okay, we wanted to have a really practical video. We do not want to just watch this video and feel motivated, feel good about it for 5 minutes, but then forget about it and change nothing at all in our life. We do not want that to happen. So basically, please do something really practical here. I'm not promising any amazing results if you manage to stick to this thing, to your thing consistently. But hey, if somebody actually managed to implement the thing that I said on this video and at least be consistent for 7 days straight, well, we will take that as a win, and I'm really happy to help. Okay, so have you dropped on your pen and a paper? Good. The thing that we wanted to be doing here is to basically write down our reasons. Okay, just make it short, 50 words at max. So, for example, oh yeah, I wanted to exercise because I wanted to be healthy and be able to just move freely and travel around the world and enjoy my time with my friends and family. Okay, just make it short and simple but powerful. Now, the thing that we wanted to be doing here is that every single time we wanted to exercise, okay, and also for the exercising part, make it clear and measurable and specific. Just make it small first. So, for example, this is not medical advice, but you can go from 5 minutes of running or 5 minutes of stretching. Just start small first, okay? 10 push ups. I don't know whether or not 10 push ups is hard for you, but if it's good for you, well, it's good for you. Just decide it for yourself with your own medical conditions. I don't know about you, but please stay safe and stay healthy. And it's okay to start small first. Everybody starts somewhere, right? Every single time we wanted to be doing our thing, in this case, exercising, well, you can also implement this to other things like studying and meditating. The thing that you wanted to be doing here is to basically just stare at the paper for, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I recommend you to just stare it for 2 minutes, okay? So in my old videos, I like to recommend you guys to basically read the paper out loud, but I kind of find, the method is not necessarily effective anymore for me. It can be effective for you because here's the thing, I don't really find it effective anymore because if you have read something over and over and over again, you just read it out loud for lots of times, it might feel like you are doing it for the routine, for only for the sake of the routine and not really getting the message. Okay, it could lose its power. And comparatively, if you just stare at the paper for 2 minutes, okay, 2 minutes, just stare at the paper. Yes, you read it, but you do not necessarily have to read it out loud. You let some room for exploration and contemplation. Okay, just contemplate the reasons why you do those things. Okay, and I kind of found this method way more powerful. So with this method, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, when we just stare at the paper, right? There are basically two types of scenarios. Okay, on the days when we are not feeling motivated, one, we just contemplate the paper and basically feel motivated, like, oh, you know what, yeah, I need to be healthy. I need to exercise because I wanted to spend my time with my friends, my family. I wanted to be healthy. And you know what? I might also inspire them to also exercise when I exercise, right? So yeah, I'm feeling really motivated today to exercise. Well, I'm gonna exercise. Okay, that's the first scenario. But then there's going to be the second scenario where when you just read the paper, you just contemplate the paper, right, for 2 minutes, but you do not feel like you are motivated to exercise. But this is still going to be okay to actually, because on the second scenario, even when you do not feel like you are feeling motivated, even after you contemplate the paper, at least you are going to be reminded of your reasons, okay? And these are really powerful reasons, really deep reasons, okay? And the thing that's going to happen here, you are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Yeah, after I contemplate this paper, I don't feel like I'm motivated. I don't feel the hype. But hey, I feel the understanding. Okay, I feel I have the realization that hey, these things are really, really important for me. Being healthy for my family is really important for me. Being healthy for my friends is really important for me. Being happy in order to be able to move freely and travel around the world is really important for me. Okay, so even that today I don't feel like I wanted to exercise, I'm still going to be exercising anyway because these reasons are so important. I'm going to be doing it regardless whether I'm feeling motivated or not today. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate that. And yeah, join our Discord. And for today's date, authenticity post, today's July 3rd, 2025, and today's memes are posted a PPAP post last 24 hours, GM 777, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now. Thank you.